first Mustang. Bye bye. All right, we about to head out. This meet was pretty dope. Caught up with a lot of homies though, for sure. I just kind of just rolled that, but oh. Man, it's a nice ass day too. Kind of lost track of time, man. I got here 9, 10, 11. Shit, I was here for 4 hours, man. That's how you knew I had a good time. Shit, I was here. Meet ended over an hour ago. I was still just talking to some people. Shit, I was about to go get some food somewhere, but shit, this boy got to get back home now. Why did I take the 99, man? If I took the 99, that shit would have all went my intake. It's a clean S197 over there. Like right by the house type shit. LA Fitness. Hellcat. bro. My taco's flying like crazy right now. Oh, man. Oh, it started to leak. That's why you get WeatherTech mats. Imagine if I would have put that shit on the seat. Oh, my Lord. That right there is exactly why you get WeatherTech mats. Shit, bro. I'm so glad I did not put that shit on the seat. Oh, my God. Whew. I am so glad I did not put that shit on the seat. I would have been down critical. Oh, my homeboy's behind me. I hear him. Shit, that's a boy with a dark horse. Little dark horse Mustang. Now this is fucking sick. Mustangs, they sound good as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Hell yeah. Woo! Seen a dark horse rolling on the street before. That's fucking sick. Hell yeah. Woo! That's fucking badass. I'm not gonna lie. Drop a like in the video for that, y'all. All right, made it back to the casa. Man, that was a fun one. We had a dark horse Mustang, a boosted Coyote with a loud blow-off valve, and a Shelby GT350. So if you guys are enjoying the content and want to stay up to date, make sure you drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. I wasn't going too crazy because I wanted to personally hear what that dark horse sounds like. I know, you know, with the dual intakes, they did the whole exhaust setup differently on the dark horse. I was interested to hear what the car sounds like, and it sounds good, man. Ford did a great job. Every single time I see an S650, I'm like, man, Those are so nice, but I want to wait till they have like the Generation 2 S650s, kind of like how, you know, they modified the Gen 1 with the Coyotes, and obviously when they released the PP1, PP2s with the S550s, I'm getting tongue-tied. I had so much fun. I kind of want to wait to see what they do with the S650s, because for me personally, I really enjoy the cars. I know people have their own opinions on the S650s and say the S550s are better, you know, this, and that. For me personally, I think the S650s are badass. Once they become tunable, look, that is going to be the generation to cop. Telling you guys this right now, man. Give it 2 years. It's going to be S650s all day. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.